bad first date, Squirt.
Oh, yeah. Totally. This was a date? I've been looking like a loser this whole time.
Hey, you can be yourself around me. I like you the way you are.
Oh, I like you, too. And your roommate. And that guy who's always playing basketball.
For real? So, you're into the whole polyamory thing, huh?
Yeah. Was that too forward? I still like you the most, though.
It's okay. I think they're hella attractive, too.
Late for class and a bad hair day. How can this get any worse?
Oh, hey! Remember me? Does he not like me?
Why do I keep embarrassing myself around him? I guess I just have to avoid him for the rest of my life.
What's going on with those two?
I got this. Hey, what's up with your goofy face?
I look like an idiot whenever I'm around him. He's just gonna make fun of me.
Stop assuming. Get your act together and talk to him.
Hey, sorry if I've been coming on too strong.
No, it's me. I keep embarrassing myself in front of you. And I figured you'd make fun of me. I'm so uncool.
Are you kidding? Your pout is so cute. I just want to kiss it away.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
I'm asking if I can kiss you.
Oh. Yes.
No kiss before marriage.
Oh hey, that reminds me.
This is Nautilus standing by.
What's the missile now?